Hey guys, today we're going to keep going with integer operations. The thing about these problems is that it's not hard math, it's just hard to remember what rules to use and when. So let's mix it up a little bit. What if I had 12 times negative 6? Well, the first thing I'm always going to look at is, are my signs the same or different? I can see 12 is positive and negative 6 is negative, which means my signs are different. When I multiply or divide with negatives, I just multiply or divide the numbers, so 12 times 6 is 72. And then if the signs are the same, it's positive. If the signs are different, it's negative. For adding, you want to do the same thing. You want to look at, are the signs of your numbers the same or different? In this case, again, my numbers have different signs. 14 is positive and 20 is negative. When you're adding and the signs are different, the greater number determines whether your amount will be positive or negative. Because 20 is negative, I know my answer is going to be negative. This is like saying you have $14 in your bank account, you spend $20, how much did you overspend? The way I can find that is by finding the difference between 20 and 14, which is 6. I overspent $6, or I owe the bank $6, so my answer is negative. With subtraction, we want to use what's called the additive inverse. The way that your teacher taught you to remember this is keep, change, change. Keep the first number, change subtract to add, and change the sign of the second number. It's currently negative, so I want to make it positive. So that means I'm going to do negative 40 plus a positive 7. Now that I have an addition problem, I only have one set of rules to remember. This is, I owe the bank $40. I pay them back 7. I know I haven't paid them back all the way, so my answer is still going to be negative. But again, the way I can figure out my number is to find the difference. 40 minus 7 is 33. And then take the sign of the greater number. I owed more than I paid back, so that means my answer is negative. Your turn to practice.